Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Sony WI-C200 Bluetooth earphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now there's two reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If your earphones are not connecting to your device, or they're not pairing or syncing with Bluetooth, or if they keep disconnecting, or if you're having any issues like this where they're not working properly, a hard reset can fix a lot of them. You will need to set them up again because this will wipe everything off of them. And that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you want to wipe all of the pairing history and delete it all off here and just get a fresh start on these earphones like they just came out of the box, we can go ahead and do that. It's very easy to do. All we need to do is first make sure these earphones are unplugged and they have a decent charge on them. And then we are going to turn them off. And then once they're turned off, we're going to come in and press and hold simultaneously the power buttons and the volume down buttons for 7 seconds. After 7 seconds, this indicator light on it will flash 4 times and your earphones will be reset to their factory default settings.